Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder. We're going F1. Yes, historical F1. We're going on with the Senna Lotus Renault. And as you see in front of me, that is where we left off. And I've got stage 93 at the 5 end ready to put some more stuff on. And we're starting with that one. Let's get that out and put that right there. And we're going to put some DMs in. And I'm going to try out, because we've got different kinds of stuff. DMs. I don't know which DMs they want, because they're different. See, these are different from the ones I have right there, and these are the same. Those DPs. I just don't get it. We get the same screw in a different format. So I'm leaving them in the bag, so I know that I'm not getting the wrong. That I'm not trying to search for a screw that is not there. As you can see, the chair is on. Let's go to the next. Then I've put the light in the back. You can't see that. The brake light is in there, right there. I've making sure that it comes down here and goes underneath. This is the thing, the number D. But there's a little thing I still have to do. Put it on the side and put a little sticker on it. Electrical tape. And I'll show you when I'm done. I've put a little bit of electrical tape right there. Oh my goodness. Right there to keep it there, and it will come down. It should come right beside it here and then come into where the actual circuit board is. Okay, we're actually putting them together already. So let's put this on its side, get those out and that. And I only got 3 to put on. So this is a little bit hard, but I'll try to my utmost best to show you. But it's more or less just putting cables together, connectors together. Just put B in, then I've got C here, and then D there, and then we put it all together. All right, we need to make sure that those wires go to the side. Now the wires are not visible in the cockpit. Good. All right, we need to test things. We are switching it on. As you can see right there. As you can see right there, the red light goes on. The top one, that's the top one, and the lower one is then this, what you hear right now. Alright, that's really nice. That comes together quite nicely. And we're now going to put it all together with a lot of DM screws. So I'm going to get the cloth out, because I'm going to put it upside down. Alright, DMs in the middle here, the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm putting 6 DM screws here, and we are going to use oil on every single one of them. I'm going to start in the front, because that is what will come together, and then the other ones will come to that as well. Let's go to this side, because I can see the screw hole properly here. I couldn't on the other side. Then we've got DPs in those points, so right there in the points right there. I'm sorry, it's really hard for me to show, because I need to get to it, but I can't put any cameras on it properly. So DPs right there, DMs in those, and we're going to the front here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what those are. DM, DM, and an IM. So DM, 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 and then an IM in the front. The last DM on this frontal part, and then an IM for the wing. And we're going to put some oil on that as well, because that's going into metal as well. Otherwise it is not called an IM screw. Okay, now I'll show you what screws I put in where. And that is this beautiful stage done. And have a look at what that car looks like now from underneath. And it's much stronger now. Yes, this one, these cloths are especially for Hans. And another shout out to my cousin Olaf for watching every single time. Hello Olaf. All right, let's go to the next one, which is 96. This is for the left hand side. And now I see why we didn't put that on yet. There we go. That's, can you see that? No, you can't. Hope you can see it on the top camera there. We put that little thing in, more or less pushed it in like so, and then we're going to put some TMs in there. Where I thought I had to put in screws earlier, we're now really going to put screws in there. Luckily it's still the same screw. You can hardly see it, but I need to get to it, so I'm sorry. I will show you when it's done on the side camera. A lot of screw though on the car that should be as light as possible. Well, this is what we had on the other side as well. You're screwing like crazy but nothing's happening. Let's try it like this. No, it's not working. Let's go to the other side or try another screw. Let's try another screw. This screw does work. All right, so we've got this one on right there with those 4 screws that you see there. I'll try and show you now how I put that on. Shoving that under, and there, that should be staying in like so. But let's start with the screw, and then the whole bracket will stay in. I'm putting in one a little bit, and then let's try the other hole, screw hole, and see if that sticks. Yeah, it does. All right, I'm turning it a little bit to help myself to screw that last one in, because that is exactly the same as on the other side. It wouldn't work. Taking that one out, trying a new one, and seeing what happens then. That worked on the other side, and it's working here as well. All right, well, that one is in as well, and that's this stage done. Let's see what we do in stage 97. Because that is all we do in this stage, isn't it? Yep. Oh, there's a lot more to go. I thought like we're getting to 100 and we're almost done, but nothing of the sort. We're putting in brackets. Wishbones. Johnny Wishbones. All right. We're going to the back of the car here. All right, let's just leave it there. And we've got these to put in. And let's see how we put them in. So we're putting that bracket in like so, and then putting CMs on there and on the lower part of it. But I need to get that closer, otherwise I can't get to it. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh la la. That's that stage done as well. So let's go to the next one. I would have thought that we would put some more screws in that side, but maybe we do it with these. Sorry about that. That was very loud. As you heard, metal. So we're going to turn it around and put them on. Cloths on. The rounded one, like so, with AM screws. I don't know where the other one is going, but we'll find out in a moment. All right, that's one on. Which I didn't see. The top ones you do not put in yet, because we're putting something over it. So we're putting that one there. Okay. Yeah, I'm going quiet because it's a little bit. It's not working as I hoped it would, or as it should do. This doesn't go in. Let's try it on the other side and see if it works there. In stage 100. Okay, and the last one, it seems to be going well. I'm gonna leave it as is, otherwise I'm gonna go crazy. All of them are in. There's one that is not working, but the other ones are. Well, it's not working, but we're gonna leave it like so. And that is stage 100 done as well. Let's see what we did in 99, because I can't remember. 99 was a wheel, which is already done and it's already out there. You may see it in the background right there. I'm going to turn this around and leave it like so. So let's put that away. We've done the underside, and in the next stage we're going on with different parts of that. But I hope you will join me. I hope you will join me next time when I do some more on this beautiful car right here, or any of those in the background or behind me, or even on my channel. So have a look at that, and hope you will join me there. Please like, subscribe and pass it on. And look at if you watch the videos, please look at it all the way to the end. That helps me with my with YouTube, and also all my subscribers. I would love to have you watch all my videos, and that would help me with my YouTube as well. Thank you very much. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.